wait, take the NCLEX. Don't wait too long. So you did it a different way. What made you choose ReMar? There's a lot of choices. What made you go with ReMar?
My nursing program used ATI, and I used ATI through the whole program, and I found that it just really wasn't what I was looking for. I saw Kaplan, I saw lots of things people were recommending me, but I was looking for a program that had actual content and questions, and not just questions or content. You need both in order to.
You need both. You need both. I love that. Yes, questions are very important and they have their place, but you need to know the content first. And when you skip over that content and just go to questions, that's how you fail. That's how you fail. I'm so glad you did it the right way. I'm so glad you did it the right way. What was the most challenging subject for you in nursing school that you focused on in the V2 program?
The OB and peds was most challenging, and I'm glad that really the first thing, because after looking at it, I learned that OB and peds, it's a lot on the test, but it's also not the most important chunk of the test. So I was happy. That's why I didn't start buckling down until the third week, because I knew that I can just learn this little bit of this and I'll be okay, and learn like med surg, and that's gonna be more of the most on the test, the most thing on the.
Exactly. I love it. So what kind of nurse are you? You're dressed in scrubs. What you got going on?
Yes, I'm just now getting off of work not too long ago. I work in a specialty clinic, so I work dermatology, ambulatory, the infusion clinic. I do foot care, which is like the podiatry. They like have me floating in between the units. Endocrine, cardiac, all that. Just floating between.
Wow, I love it. And I love the color scrubs that you have on. I love the color scrubs that you have on. That's ReMar Blue. I love it. Can you encourage somebody that may be testing soon and they are afraid? Maybe they're here for the first time. They don't know who ReMar is. Can you encourage them to take this NCLEX, get in V2, do the work so that they can get the same results you got?
Yes, and I must say that everything that you say is true about this ReMar program. The NCLEX is very challenging, and you're just not going to go through nursing school. You still have to study. You still have to study, and it's just not going to be poured into your head. You have to learn the content, or I don't know, we might have to test again, but we don't want that. So you have to learn the content.
Exactly. Thank you so much. Okay, let me ask you some more. Hold on. Okay, so when you were taking the actual NCLEX, did you feel like, this was easier than I thought, or this is really challenging? Like, talk to me through how you talked yourself through that NCLEX.
I was so nervous. I'm not gonna lie. I had to take a break in between my tests,